Hi everyone, this is Amy and welcome back to my channel. Today we're making cumin lamb chops. For the marinade we need a tablespoon each ground cumin, neutral oil, light soy sauce, and shaoxing wine. Mix that up and set that aside. I have a little over half a pound of lamb chops here that I got at H Mart. We're going to sprinkle this with a tablespoon and a half of cornstarch. I'm using potato starch because that's what I had on hand. We're going to rub this in on both sides. This is going to help the marinade stick to our lamb. It's going to also protect it so our lamb doesn't overcook when we sear this over high heat. Drizzle on your marinade, rub that in on both sides as well, and let this marinate at room temperature for a half an hour while we prepare the rest of our ingredients for this really delicious, tasty dish. In a dry pan over the stove, we're going to add 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds. Toast that until you can smell it and turn off the heat. We're going to chop up the white and the green parts of 2 scallions, half of a chili pepper. We need half teaspoon of a dried chili, pop in the cumin seeds as well, and a half cup of fresh cilantro. Over high heat, we're going to heat up a tablespoon of neutral oil. When it comes to temperature, drop in your lamb chops and cook it until it's golden on both sides. So 3-4 minutes on one side, flip, 3-4 minutes on the second side. Before adding in all of our chili peppers, cumin seeds, scallion, let that cook for a minute. We're going to add in 1/4 teaspoon of sugar. It's going to balance out the flavor. Once the sugar is in, add in the cilantro, shut off the heat, and the scallion greens. Everything will wilt with residual heat. To plate, I'm serving this up with a little lime rice. Popping that on. We're going to layer on our lamb chops. We're going to top this with a mint sauce. Now I did film both the lime rice and mint sauce, so if you're interested in finding out how to make those, let me know and I'll share a video with you. But the mint sauce has vinegar in it, the lime rice has lime, so it's going to cut through the fattiness of the lamb. It's a beautiful accompaniment for this dish. Get in all of those aromatics as well. Drizzle with our mint sauce, and this is looking beautiful and delicious. Now let's go ahead and give this a taste. The lamb is not gamey, it's tender, it's juicy. You taste the heat from the pepper, or the chilies. You taste the cumin seeds beautifully. The lime rice cuts through, the mint sauce cuts through, and this is absolutely delicious. But there it is, cumin lamb chops. I really do hope you guys try to make this in your home. Thank you so much for spending time with me once again today. I appreciate every single one of you. If you liked this video, give it a like. If you loved it, please consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell if you haven't already, because I put out new videos every Thursday. Thank you again, and until next time, happy cooking.